Hello.
What are we doing right now?
We're just sitting in a car.
No, we're going to the zoo.
Yeah, we're going to the zoo.
Oh, let me be the pro vlogger.
You're not even in any of the videos.
No, you need to be like, hi guys, my name's Parker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to the zoo.
Today we're going to the zoo, yeah. Yeah, we're going to the zoo.
Tell them to meet me out there.
Just think we're going to.
Oh, well, we're at the zoo. We're at the Cape May Zoo in Cape County, New Jersey. But it's cold today. Too cold for the beach.
Yes. I'm building
We did, but it went back. It's sitting right in the. Yeah, it's sitting right in the.
I'm playing my little pencil to build stairs.
No Fortnite. We're at the zoo. Crazy kid. Piggy, piggy.
Look at the one.
Suey. Suey. Piggy, 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 piggy. Oh, looky, look. He has a straw stuck in his snout. There he is.
I hope he jumps on you
Oh,
That is some pig.
and breaks your collar.
Oh, Sophia. Sophia didn't like that I said we had them for breakfast yesterday.
What are you eating?
Ew. Piggy, piggy. Here. Come get me.
Yeah.